If the clear history button is grayed out on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now first of all, if you have cleared your website data a few minutes ago and if you have not used the web browser, then this button will be grayed out since it does not have any data to wipe out. Also, if you have used your Safari web browser in private browsing mode, then your browser will not save any of your browsing data, and this is why this button is grayed out. But if you have not done either of the things which I have said, then just go to settings. Now to fix your issue, first of all, you will need the password of the parental controls of your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then just tap on screen time under settings and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Tap on App Store Media, Web and Games. Then tap on Web Content. Now if it is on approved websites or limit websites, just select unrestricted. And after that, just go back and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is not fixed, then just disable content and privacy restrictions. And by doing that, you will disable all the parental control settings on your iPhone. After you've done that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now after you update the software of your iPhone, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart of your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after you do that, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings and tap on General. Now under the General settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. From this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now by doing that, you will reset all the settings of your iPhone. And this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled the setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the Clear History button is grayed out on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.